Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make sourdough cake donuts. So let's get started. So if you've seen my sourdough starter video, you'll know that you end up with a lot of discard, and this recipe will use it so you don't have to discard it. First, in a small bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in a larger bowl, add in the softened butter and sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer on medium to high speed for 2 minutes until light and pale. Then add in the egg yolks, and before adding in the discard, give it a good stir to mix any liquid that is separated from it and to get rid of any bubbles. Then add it into the mixture and beat it in until it's well combined. Add in the dry ingredients a little at a time, mixing by hand until it's combined. When it starts to get too thick to mix, turn it out onto the counter and use your hands to bring it together into a ball. Then lightly flour the work surface and roll out the dough until it's about a ½ inch thick. Then use a cookie cutter to cut out the donut shapes, and use a smaller cookie cutter to cut out the donut holes. Then knead any scraps back together. Try not to overwork the dough. Roll it out again, and continue cutting out the donut shapes until all the dough is used up. To fry the donuts, heat a large pan with about 1 inch of oil in the pan and heat it until it gets anywhere between 350 and 375 degrees. You can use a candy thermometer if you have one. You'll know when the oil is hot enough when you place the back of a wooden spoon into it. If it starts bubbling immediately, it's ready. When it is ready, carefully place each of the donuts into the oil. Try not to overcrowd the pan, and fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side until it forms a nice golden brown color. When they're ready, remove them from the oil and place them on a cooling rack set over a baking pan to drain any excess oil. Then just repeat the process for the rest of the donuts. To make the glaze, in a small bowl, add in the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract, and mix them together until they're well combined. Then dip each of the donuts into the glaze. Use 2 forks to lift it out of the glaze. Let it hang over the bowl to let excess glaze drip off, and place it back onto the cooling rack. And repeat that process for the rest of the donuts. Then let them sit on the cooling rack for 10 to 20 minutes until the glaze is set. And that's how to make sourdough cake donuts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.